You're looking for a different kind of drink to enjoy the game this weekend?
Demetrios Zacharidis, the cocktail chemist, is here with some tasty concoctions to try. Welcome.
Hi guys, how are you?
We're excellent. All right, we want to get right into it. What do we got?
Let's do it. So, it's the big game this Sunday, and just some easy cocktails. Well, one is a little bit more advanced, if you would, because, we want to maybe show off to our friends on Super Bowl Sunday. But we're going to make an old-fashioned, but it's a popcorn old-fashioned. Huh. So, I don't know. I like to eat a lot of popcorn when I'm watching any kind of sporting event. So I infuse some bourbon with popcorn and some butter. It's a process called fat washing. What I'm going to do is explain it a little bit, and then we could, I'll have it on my Facebook page. There'll be a tutorial and all that stuff. But basically, we're making bourbon have flavors of popcorn in it, that buttery saltiness of popcorn. So we're going to add 2 ounces of our popcorn-infused Woodford Reserve. We're going to do a ½ ounce of simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water, of course. And then we're just using our regular Angostura bitters as well. A couple of dashes of Angostura bitters, a little bit of a stir, just to get all those flavors incorporated. We get a little dilution, a little bit of chill on the cocktail, and then we're going to serve it in our rocks glass. I'm using a large cube. You could use whatever kind of ice you want at home.
You got to use a large cube when it comes to a Manhattan.
Yeah, I like them. It keeps it cold and it doesn't over dilute the cocktail. We're going to use a little bit of a lemon peel, just squeeze the oils right on top, do a little rim, and then we just drop it right in. And that's your popcorn old-fashioned.
Looks beautiful.
Nice and easy. From there, we're going to do a nice shake and drink, something a little more refreshing. We're going to use a vodka on this one. So we're going to do basically a vodka gimlet. Gimlets, traditionally, we use gin, but for a crowd pleaser, we'll use some vodka. Today, I'm using the newly relaunched, under new ownership, Waypoint Spirits out of Bloomfield, Connecticut.
Okay.
So we're going to do 2 ounces of the Waypoint vodka. And then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. And then 3/4 of an ounce of our simple syrup. So pretty easy. It's considered a sour cocktail in the sour category. I'm going to shake this up.
Shake it, baby. Shake it.
And then we're going to throw it in our coupe glass or martini glass, or honestly, whatever glass you want. You can do this one over the rocks as well. Like I said, this one's an easy one. You don't want to be stuck in the bar all day at your own party.
We have 30 seconds.
But to make things even easier, you could always have the cocktail chemist stuff on hand, which is great.
Oh,
we're going to feature today. I'm going to do I like it's called the Something Good. So it's vodka. It's got elderflower, fresh lemon, violet, a little bit of cane sugar. This is for the ultimate lazy guy or girl at home that doesn't want to do anything or entertain, kind of like me. Put a bunch of these out, you're good to go. Just pour it into a glass over ice.
That's easy.
Thank you, Demetrios.
Demetrios, we're out of time, but I love that. So that you can't mess that
Whoa.
up. You can follow Demetrios for drinks.
You can't mess this one up.
Search Cocktail Chemist.